Find the resonant frequency, quality factor and the bandwidth of a parallel RLC circuit with R equal to 20 kilo ohms, L equal to 10 millihenry and C equal to 20 picofarad. So here parallel RLC circuit is given and values of the resistor are 20 kilo ohms, inductor value is 10 millihenry and capacitor value is 20 picofarad, and we are asked to find what is the resonant frequency, quality factor and bandwidth. So first we have to connect the elements in parallel like this. So resistor, inductor and capacitor are connected in parallel, and this combination is connected to a voltage source, and the current coming from the source is I, and that current divides into the elements as IR, IL and IC. IR is the current in the resistor, IL is the current in the inductor and IC is the current in the capacitor. So here after connecting the elements, so we have mathematical expression to find the resonant frequency, quality factor and bandwidth. So first is resonant frequency Fr equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. If you know the values of L and C of a parallel circuit, by using this formula we can find resonant frequency in hertz. So after substituting and solving, we get Fr equal to 356 kilohertz. So at this frequency, RLC circuit is in resonance. So quality factor, what is the quality factor of the circuit? QR. If you know resistor, inductor and capacitor value, QR equal to R into root C by L. So by substituting the values of RLC, we get QR equal to 0.8944. So similarly last one, bandwidth. So quality factor is equals to resonant frequency by bandwidth. That is a basic expression. By using that expression, bandwidth equal to Fr by quality factor at resonance. Fr is the resonance frequency at resonance, QR is the quality factor at resonance. In first point and second point, we solved for Fr and quality factor. By using that two values, so we can find bandwidth. Bandwidth equal to 256 kilo by 0.8944, which is equals to 398 kilohertz. So that is the bandwidth. So here it is a very simple problem. So here we are asked to find a resonant frequency, quality factor and bandwidth of a parallel RLC circuit, and resistor value is 20 kilo ohms, inductor value is 10 millihenry and capacitor value is 10 picofarad.